All right, Nana, this is session 2 on creating a recording series, which is what you really want to do, such as Downton Abbey or any of your shows. I'm going to use 60 minutes as an example just because it's easy to find, and Downton Abbey has not yet started, so it'll be more confusing to try to do Downton Abbey. So what you'll do is push that DVR button, and let's see what shows up. Notice on the left, the view recordings we went over with the first tutorial. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut down scheduled recordings as reminders of what I currently have scheduled. These are the shows that will be coming up in the near future. We're going to create a new recording, and the options are search for the show, find the show in the guide, manual recording. Searching for the show is more of a pain because you have to type it in, but we'll do it that way. Finding the show in the guide is easy. If you're going to tape something today, you know it's today rather than scrolling through days worth of shows. Anyway, push the arrow to the right. Now we're going to search for the show, and what we're going to do is 60 minutes. If you just type in the number, as you type, you'll see on the right the shows that are with 6 in it show up. Then 60 shows up, so you don't have to type in all of 60 minutes. Notice it's already showing you 60 minutes, and you can just slide right off onto it. So if you just slide to the right, you'll eventually get right over to the different shows, and you can go to the 60 minutes, which will be right there. Now notice what happens when I push OK. We're at 60 minutes. Here are the different options. Now it looks confusing because some of the old episodes of 60 Minutes are available. You don't want any of those. Those are on demand. You want to go to the third choice, which shows CBS Channel 10 60 Minutes with the next episode Sunday. That's the series. That's the one that shows up every Sunday. The other ones were specific episodes that they have on demand, and you can watch them after the fact. So anyway, I've highlighted the 60 minutes. Go back to it. I'm going to push OK. Here are the options. Do you want to record an episode? Do you want to record the series? Do you want to record the series with options? This is what the part looks like that we 7 to 8. It's a 1-hour show. This is the series we want to do. So if you're watching Downton Abbey or Blacklist, you'll do the same thing. We want to record the series, not the episode. So you notice it's highlighted over the episode, which means it's only going to do this Sundays. So let's slide it down, pushing the arrow down to record series. And when you record series, what'll happen is the arrow will go next to the 60 minutes like that, letting us know that the series will be recorded. Notice I can cancel the series. I can modify the series. Let's see what happens with that, and that's an important one. If we slide it down to modify series, let's see what happens. Here are the options you have. Notice it's highlighted under all, so all the episodes will be recorded. You can keep 5 episodes. You can do first run and repeats, start and end on time. You can make it start and end 5 minutes later if you want. But we're going to leave that all the same. The reason this is important is a show like Downton Abbey, which is really popular, you may want to go under Modify Series and go to that first run and repeat and change that to first run only. Because of a show like Downton Abbey, they're constantly showing repeats that you'll come to your DVR one day and there'll be like a whole day's worth of Downton Abbey where the cable TV will be showing like a whole marathon of Downton Abbey, and you're going to be getting all of those. So that's why you may want to change that. But for now, to make it easy, that's the best way to do it. So we've canceled the modify, so we're going to have 60 minutes recorded. And to check on that, what we can do is even push exit, get out of the screen, and then push DVR, look to see, notice view recordings. Let's do the scheduled recordings because it hasn't been recorded yet since it's coming up this Sunday. So if we do the down arrow to scheduled recordings, these are the things that are going to be today. Oops, slide to the right. Always remember the arrows you have to slide. And as I slide down, you'll see Sunday says Housing International. I don't see 60 Minutes here, and I think it's because I think I may have canceled it. So we're gonna schedule that again on tutorial 3 and see what happens.